To hardwire your laptop to the smart board, you need two cables. You're going to need an HDMI cable that looks like this, and you will need a touch USB cable, which looks like this on one end, and on the other end has a regular USB port. The HDMI cable has this on both ends. Both will be located down here on this stand somewhere. All you have to do is pick them up, and then we're going to show you how to plug them into the back of the computer. To plug the cables into the back of the smartboard, you need to come to the left side. The back left. At the bottom here is to use the smartboard as a monitor. The top part here is the computer pack. If you're gonna wire your laptop to the smartboard, you do not plug it here. You have to come down and plug it to these controls here. This is the touch USB, and it will go into where it says touch USB. So I will connect it now. The second is to go ahead and plug in your HDMI cable to the back of the smartboard. Again, using the lower portion, you're looking for the label HDMI 1. So I will go ahead and plug that in like that. Make sure it's very tight and snug. So the next step is to plug the other ends of the cable into your laptop. So here I have my laptop, and I'm going to find my HDMI port, and I'm going to go ahead and stick that in there like that. Make sure it's tight and snug. Then you're going to look for a USB port, which happens to be on the other side of my computer, and I will go ahead and plug it into there. Like that. Now you are connected to the smartboard, and now we just need to turn it on. Okay, so now you need to turn on the smartboard. So there is a power button down here on the right hand side. I'm just going to click the icon that's for power, and it will turn on the screen. So no matter what happens on the screen when you turn it on, what you're looking for are these arrows to the side. It'll show up on either side of the computer, and you'll want to touch it. When you touch it, you're going to select the TV icon, and then you're going to select your HDMI 1 port. And now it's mirroring exactly what is on my laptop. So now you have a choice. You can either use the touchscreen because we attach the touch USB, or you can go ahead and run everything from your laptop. It really depends on you. Because you attach the touch USB to your laptop from the back of this supercomputer, you can actually touch the screen and open things. So if I opened something on my desktop, you can see that it opens. And the same thing happens on my laptop. It opened. So either one will control the other now that you have it plugged in. And that's how you wire your laptop into the smartboard. Let's talk about the volume. So down here on the screen on the right hand side, you have a volume icon, and you're going to touch that. We want to make sure that it says 86 monitor. If it doesn't, you're going to touch this upward arrow or caret and then select 86 monitor from the list. Once you do that, and it's showing that, you can click off or touch off of it to get rid of the box. I also want to show you the volume buttons on the actual smartboard. So these are the manual buttons for volume up and volume down. Notice when I touch the volume up button that it shows at the top of the smartboard. Volume down, like that. 70 is about good for a classroom size, so you can leave it there. So let's test out the volume by opening up a slides presentation, and I will go ahead and play my video to see if we can hear it.
That allow these industries to stay ever evolving.
Yes, we can hear it. So if it's too loud, again, you can hit the volume buttons on the actual machine. Now, what happens if I play the slideshow in full screen? I want you to notice that the sound icon that was actually on the screen is gone, right? So only selecting these buttons for the volume. And so that's how you hardwire the laptop into the smartboard with the volume controls.